Hi guys, this is for the reading of our Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Let's see kung ano ang meron sa ating mga Earth sign ngayon at kung ano yung mga mensahe at gabay na kailangan nating i-deliver. Okay? Tingnan na natin. I am seeing the Devil card, Earth sign. Merong gumugulo sa'yo. Merong pumipigil. Merong nag-hold back sa'yo. And then I am seeing also the Knights of Swords na merong pabigla-bigla, may hindi naghihinay-hinay, aggravate yung energy. Yeah, I think this is that energy na nag-hold back sa'yo. Tapos, nilulur ka na, sige, pagdesisyonan mo na yan, ganyan-ganyan. Yun yung napipil ko. Biglang nakita ko yung baraha. Nag-sink in ka agad yung meaning. Okay, let's see what's up with our Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay. Okay, Page of Wands, Queen of Swords, Page of Pentacles, and the Four of Pentacles, the Six of Swords, and the Sun. We have here the Yes card, huh? We have here the Yes card, but we have here some negative energy here, the fear and the betrayal. Okay, merong panloloko, merong natatakot, may natakot, okay, with the Seven of Swords. May natakot, may tumakas, may panloloko, okay? And then I am seeing here, let's check muna the bottom of the deck. I have here from the bottom of the deck of you, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn is the Ace of Swords. Truth, revealing of the truth. Okay, truth will be revealed, and then some realization. Okay, some idea na marireveal, bigla-biglaan na lang magpa-pop up sa isip mo, 'di ba? Ayan siya, oh. Yan, 'di ba? And then let's check the reading for you. Page of Wands, Queen of Swords, and the Page of Pentacles. I am seeing here, guys, na meron ditong parang nagsisik for the truth. Okay? Meron kasi ditong parang may parang hindi kontento. Okay? May parang hindi kontento, may hinahanap-hanap, may parang kulang. Okay? And then the Page of Wands, this is also a kind of card na pwedeng may nanliligaw din, ganyan. Tall, dark, young man, okay? And then, parang may gusto na siyang gawin, yun pa yung isang ibig sabihin ng baraha na to. May gusto na siyang gawin, may gusto na siyang ilabas, may gusto na siyang i-reveal dun sa mga gusto niyang gawin. Okay? Madam, bakit ganun? Anong may gusto na siyang gawin sa mga gusto niyang gawin? Kasi hindi niya magawa yung gusto niyang gawin sa sarili niya. Okay? Ito lang kasi yung nakikita ko dito sa baraha, guys. With this Queen of Swords, kasi si Queen of Swords is parang sabihin mo sa akin yung totoo. Nagsisik for the truth. Sabihin mo sa akin yung totoo, maiintindihan ko kung ano man yan. Kasi parang may isa pang tao dito na involved sa'yo, Earth sign. Okay? Parang may strategical ka na ginagawa para itong tao na to magtapat sa'yo. Yun yung nakikita ko dito. Okay? And then, kasi marireveal yung kalokohan na to anytime soon. Okay? With the Seven of Swords, napipiyok ako, no? Na alam niyo nami-miss ko na talaga yung pagkanta, eh. Okey, mabalik tayo. And then with the Four of Pentacles, Six of Swords, and the Sun. I am seeing here, Four of Pentacles, that, you're having everything, even in material. Okay, even parang may nakikita akong gadget, alahas, bag. Alam mo yun, pinapahalagahan mo kung ano yung meron ka with the Four of Pentacles here. Ina-assure mo na wala dapat na parang may ayaw ka na gamit mo na pakialaman ng kung sino man, kahit family member mo, okay? Kasi, parang nakikita ko may nagbabag collection dito, guys. May nagbabag collection sa inyo, Earth sign. Mahilig sa bag. Nangongolekta ng mga bag. It doesn't matter if it's cheap or expensive. Kasi basta nangongolekta ng bag. Some of you. Okay? Yeah, kasi may security, tapos magaling ka naman din humawak ng pera, Earth sign. Ha? Then I have here the Six of Swords and the Sun. The Six of Swords, okay, eto na yon, yung reading dito sa may ibabaw. The Six of Swords is telling you na let it flow. Hayaan mo yung mismong mismong sitwasyon ang mag-reveal sa'yo ng katotohanan na gusto mo. Yung katotohanan na gusto mong malaman. Hayaan mo. Huwag mong madaliin kung kailan mo malalaman to, okay? Huwag mo madaliin, ha? Kasi kusa itong lalabas. Kusa with the Six of Swords, okay? Then meron ding, may nakikita din ako dito na biglang nag-walk away, biglang tumalikod eh. Kasi guilty. Okay? Guilty, tapos ano pa? Kasi may the Sun eh. Ayan no. Yung liwanag, makikita na anytime soon. May yes card tayo. Kung ano yung kutob mo, iniisip mo dun sa taong yun, totoo with the yes card. It's a yes. This is a yes card. Okay? Ayan. So, what else? Just, all I can say is just, let it flow. Let the energy flow and let the situation reveal you the truth that you are seeking for. Okay? Hayaan mo yung sitwasyon, Earth sign, na magbulala sa iyo ng katotohanan na hinihintay mong marinig mismo dun sa taong yon, or kung sitwasyon man to. Okay? Hayaan mo yung mismong sitwasyon at pagkakataon ang magbigay sa iyo ng katotohanan mismo. Huwag kang maghanap, kasi habang hinahanap mo, parang bagay lang yun eh. Habang hinahanap mo isang bagay, lalong hindi mo nakikita. Hayaan mo lang kusa itong lalabas. 'Di ba? May kasabihan tayong ganun, which is true. Okay? Yun lang guys. And if you want a personal reading for your sign, you can direct message me here and ask my admin team for the personal reading. And yes, may bayad po ang pagpapa-personal reading guys. Okay? At yun lang po. Mag-ingat po tayong lahat. God bless and good luck.